I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bennett Ranch Bulls. This is Kason Reyes,
Francesca Valladares,
Oliver Jolly, and Amelia Caswell
with the morning announcements.
Today is Friday, January 5th, 2024. Thought of the day. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou.
Birds have always held a special place in our hearts, which is why we celebrate them on National Bird Day every day, January 5th. While birds are amazing, they are also a massive group under threat, and their phase canary and coal mine was named after birds for a reason. They're the barometers of our planet, environmental health.
Lunch today is Philly steak and a cheese pinwheel, or a crustless CBP sandwich with mozzarella cheese stick, garden bar, fruit, milk. The weather today is cloudy with a high of 36 degrees. We have made it to Friday. This afternoon there is a second quarter PBIS assembly, so we will be on afternoon assembly schedule.
Everyone have a great day, and remember, Bulls lead the way!